Hello. Welcome back to TerryMelissaKitchen. In this video, I will be cooking one of Jamaica's favorite, currygoat. For this recipe, you will need about 5 pounds of goat meat cut in small pieces. Here I have my goat meat already cleaned and washed with vinegar. So now I'm going to season the meat and let it marinate overnight in the fridge. All the ingredients are in the description box below, so stay tuned, relax, and enjoy the video. Thank you. Please note that the cooking time all depends on how big or small you cut up the meat and also the cut of the goat. For example, the shoulders, which is what I'm cooking here, but there's also the leg, neck, ribs, etc. that may or may not take that long to cook. For this video, the total cooking time is 3 hours. So guys, I don't like goat meat that much, but when I tell you I could not stop eating this curry goat, it is beyond delicious, so yummy and so flavorful. Please try this recipe and let me know if you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.